it was so much more enjoyable having the team aspect around there.
Okay, well, thank you very much, Sam. And Raf, we've got this race just going on, so we'll throw back up to you for commentary.
Thanks, Lachlan. That's fantastic. Thank you for that. Yep, we've got the first of the under 10 boys 4x200 metre heats, event number 12. Okay, in lane 1 we've got Caulfield here. In lane 2 we've got Warrnambool. Lane 3 Keilor. Lane 4 we've got Geelong. Lane 5 we've got Sandringham. Lane 6 we've got Mentone. Lane 7 we've got Werribee, and lane 8 we've got Knox. Now it looks like Geelong is going to come through here and change first. No, it looks to be Caulfield. No, Knox. Knox is going to change first. Okay, then Geelong, then Keilor, and the chase is on. Geelong and Keilor are there and racing away. Geelong's in front, and Keilor is definitely giving a good run for his money. Looks like Keilor's going to be the first change here, then Geelong is going to be second, and then third change is going to be Knox, just tiring there a little. And with fresh legs, we've got Keilor, who's got a great running pace, who should comfortably go through and be one of the first qualifiers for the under 10 boys 4x200 metre heat in this first heat. So it's the top 3 and then the fastest 2 that go through the final.